Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making shakshuka. Now, this recipe is really easy and takes less than 30 minutes. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. First, open a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. Next, dice one medium onion, one bell pepper, any color works, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and half an eggplant. Heat up a large pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add all your chopped veggies and stir it around. Add in some shakshuka spice, about 2 tablespoons, and half a teaspoon of salt, and stir it all together so the vegetables are coated in spices. Shakshuka spice is basically made up of paprika, parsley, chives, coriander, cumin, and garlic salt. So if you don't have any, just add half a teaspoon of each. Add your tomatoes with all the liquid. I'm going to chop mine in the pan, but you could place them onto a cutting board in advance and chop them up. All the while, mix the veggies as you break up the tomatoes. Simmer gently, letting the sauce thicken for about 10 minutes. If necessary, raise the heat to medium-high. Scientists in Brazil have identified a new dinosaur species solely based off its unique footprints. The new species is called Phyloichthys rapidus, and it lived during the early Cretaceous period. It is believed to have been a small carnivorous animal, about 2 to 3 feet tall. Based on the large distance between footprints, it is believed to have been a very fast reptile that ran across dunes. And now, back to our modern chicken eggs. Depending on the size of your pan and how many people you're serving, you can add anywhere from 4 to 8 eggs. I added 6. Make indentations in the sauce with the back of a large spoon. These are like little pockets for your eggs. Crack an egg and drop it in. Use a fork to gently swirl the egg whites just lightly into the sauce. Try not to crack the yolks. Cover and simmer gently until the egg whites are set, about 10 minutes. Remove from the heat and serve with salt and pepper or cilantro or as is. I served my shakshuka with garlic bread for a delicious, healthy, and easy meal that even my little dinosaurs loved. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.